Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to join Roblox Arsenal Discord server. If this helps you out, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just open your browser and go on this website, Early Mons Roblox trading website. Now, here, go on the search bar, select games, and type your game name Arsenal. Go on the first one. Here, click on play on Roblox. Now scroll down and under social links you can see this Discord icon. This is the Discord server. Just click on it. Now as you can see, I've been invited to join the server. Just click on accept as and you will join the server. Now if you can't join the server through this direct link, just go on the browser again, copy this link, go again on Discord, go on the left side, click on add a server, click on join a server and paste the link over here and just click on join server. Confirm you are human. And that's it. You are good to go. You have joined Arsenal server successfully. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.